Hey everyone, this is Randy with Carchaeology, and this is day 2 of quarantine video time. I know everybody's sitting around at home with nothing better to do. Hopefully folks are getting out in the garage, working on projects, and pursuing the passions that are within you. I think this is a perfect time for society to slow down, for people to learn a little bit about themselves, learn a little bit about what's important, and spend some time doing the things that they really love to do. You know, if you don't need to go out and bust your tail every day during this down cycle, use it wisely. You know, spend some time working on those projects that have been sitting for quite a while. It's something that I'm trying to do. It's not real easy. It's super easy to get caught up on the internet, watching everybody's conspiracy theories and wackiness, and I've had enough. So I want to get out here in the garage. I want to work on some of the projects. I want to do some organization. I want to dig some treasure out of my own garage because there certainly is some here. So I'm on the other side of the workshop right now. This is the area that I do a lot of the work on the cars. The video from yesterday, that was sort of my man cave storage area. Both sides are horribly dirty right now, and so I definitely need to clean that up. But you can see behind me here, here's the Torgerson EXP, the mystery supercar. I've got a lot of videos of that up online. Behind it is the Suzuki Jimny. Now, I've not done any video on this yet. This is a project that I've been working on for a while. It's a vehicle that I picked up locally here. And this is an early Suzuki. It's 2-stroke, 4-wheel drive. This is kind of the predecessor to the Suzuki Samurai that's been very popular around the world. And it's a great little car. I'll wander over here so you can see it a little bit better. And it's a fully restored example that sat for a little bit. I've got to do a little bit of revival work to it and further detailing. I managed to find a new old stock top and doors for it through a collector in the Midwest. And I've fitted that on there. I've still got a little more cleaning to do on the windows and such. But insane find to actually get those pieces and get those on the car. And it's a cute little thing. It really is. I do need to get it running properly. It does run, but it's running a little rough. And I really need to find somebody that understands 2-stroke engines that can take a look at it and give it the final touch and tune as sometimes machines need. And then behind there, you can see my toolbox and stuff like that, which is embarrassingly overfull. And I've got to get in there. I don't think I've organized the screwdriver drawer in 20 years, and it shows it. So definitely some good downtime opportunity to spend a little organization time. You can see some of the other junk in the background there as well. Always stashing every little spot with treasure. And again, I've been posting up some of those little treasures up for sale, either on eBay or through Instagram on the Buried in Junk account. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, look up Buggenbox. That's Buggnbox on Instagram. And I'm an absolute fiend for posting up way too many photos and info and details on what I'm up to. But thank you very much for watching. Again, if you see something in the background that you'd like to see more details about, learn a little bit more about, definitely let me know. Happy to take requests as we go through this down cycle. And I've got a couple of projects, hands-on stuff that I'm going to be sharing with you in the weeks to come as well. But stay safe, everybody out there. Have fun. Spend some time in the garage. Keep digging them up and driving them. Thanks. Bye-bye.